Ew.
Yuckies? Yeah, we should probably put a bib on her.
Touch it. She's daring. She's trying. Oh, I don't like it.
You keep wiping it on your shirt.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Ew.
What is that?
Yucky. Is it good? Taste it.
Ew. You scoop it out?
Here. Here.
Ew. Don't let her
Here.
taste that. That's gross.
You don't want to touch it?
She's done with that.
She doesn't like it.